Hi, in this session we'll be covering creating downloads. These can be used for adding documents to your website, such as PDFs and spreadsheets for your visitors to download. Please note, if you're adding downloads to products and you have an integrated website with us, please double check with our team as these may be coming from your ERP system. If you wish to add them manually, to do this go to Content, find the download item type in the list, and then press Add New. From here, we just need to give it a name, a title, and choose our file by pressing the Edit button. We can select a file from the list, or we can upload a new document by pressing this button here. Once you've added your file, simply click Save. Now we need to give this download a location. To do this, under Locations, press Select Type. Choose the item type you wish to add your download to. And from here, you can either search for the item in particular or just select it from the list. And then press Add Location.